video
about all about the Jays.
If you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and
please make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time we do upload a new video. So
for today, it's pretty late already, you guys, to be making what I'm making right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my fresas con crema. I have two ways to do them, but today I'm just gonna show you guys one way.
Make a little quick snack, a little quick dessert.
Yes, you guys, because it is super late. Guess what time it is? Any idea? It is 10:22 at night. We went grocery. Well, first we went to go visit my mother-in-law, and then after we went grocery shopping, and then we got home. Jose put all the groceries away, and I jumped in the shower because tomorrow I do have to work. I know it sucks. It's Christmas Eve, but I'm only gonna work till noon. And
I'm thirsty.
And I've been wanting fresas con crema, so I decided to show you guys how I make them. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna cut all the strawberries.
I'll show y'all.
I'm almost kind of finished, no más que I kind of wanna advance myself a little.
I'll show you guys real quick. Let me take over the camera.
So these are the strawberries. I only bought 2 boxes because I'm the one that normally eats them all. Jose, it's rare when he eats sweets. So I bought 2 boxes, and this is how much I've done so far. And I just need a few more. So right now I'm just gonna cut them.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be off from Christmas Eve all the way to January 4th. Woo, yay! No, not really. I have to babysit these kids. Well, I mean, good thing that my mom is watching JC tomorrow, I guess, or tonight, whatever. But you know, that leaves me with 2, which ain't so much to deal with. But yeah, guys, as y'all can hear Josiah already. He wants the camera towards him. Say hi.
Hello.
He wants me to hug him. I don't know why. Say hi. But yeah, guys, let me set these kids to the side.
I know we've said that JC is like the worst one, but like when JC's not around, Jess is like worse than JC, I think.
And all you gotta do is cut these in 4s. Like
yeah,
this.
however you guys want. I just cut them in 4s. Or some people even just cut them like this in 2s. But I think that's too big.
You know what else is big? That knife that you're holding.
Wow.
So, up next.
Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make the crema dulce. You're gonna use, I usually use crema sour cream daisy, but I've noticed that it's like super thick, like the crema, or I don't know if you have to add like milk or something para que te quede más like aguada, I guess, right?
Yeah, so it wouldn't be like too thick or too espesa.
So it won't be too thick. So today I got the crema lala. It's sour cream too. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how that is. So you're gonna need sour cream, evaporated milk, sweet condensed milk, and vanilla, and just a little bit of milk. This is one way I make my fresas con crema. The other way is kind of the same thing too. Except I add heavy cream, sour cream. I don't use this one. I just use milk and sweet condensed milk, vanilla, and sugar. For this one, I'm not gonna use sugar either.
Like sweetened or sweetened condensed milk is like lechera, right?
Yeah, lechera. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour it off since it's small.
What size is that? Let's see the front of it.
24 ounce.
24 ounce.
This is perfect just if you're just gonna make a little bit.
Which this was the 2 little small boxes.
Yeah.
But you pour that in there. Up next, you do what?
What? I can't help it.
Make sure to spoon, guys.
Well, that was in my hands. Next, you're gonna add your evaporated milk in here. 1 is perfect, you guys.
We need your nails done, homegirl.
I know you guys, Jose no me da dinero to go get my nails done.
Oh, you lie.
I'm just kidding. You want me looking cute? You gotta give me money. I'm just kidding, you guys.
Here goes the shy one, as y'all can see in the introduction video. She didn't want to do anything.
Okay, next I'm gonna add my sweetened condensed milk.
AKA lechera.
Lechera. Y'all beaners that don't know English. I'm just kidding. Make sure to grab a spoon y sacarle toda la lechera. Next, I'm gonna pour some vanilla.
Some vanilla extract. Is that what it is?
I'm gonna pour that much. I'm gonna mix it already and it's... You're still recording? Oh, I heard like the little... I'm gonna mix it already and if it's like too thick, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of milk. So I'm gonna mix it.
You can either mix it by hand.
No, you could mix it by hand because it's not like hard to mix it.
Oh, so you don't need a machine?
No.
A little batter, whatever.
Well, if you want to, you can, but I usually do it by hand.
Let me see the flick of that wrist.
Huh?
Yeah, flick of the wrist. So, what were you saying? It's like a little workout?
Yeah, it's like a workout because my hands already hurt. It's also like a little Zumba. So I'm just gonna mix it a little bit more. Okay guys, so I tasted it and it's actually really good. Like, it's not thick or anything. No más que se me hizo like a little bit too sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add just a little bit of milk, probably. Yeah, I see.
So that like half a cup?
Less than half a cup, maybe like 2 tablespoons, right?
I don't know.
Well, I didn't really add a lot. I just added a little bit para que le quite a little bit the sweetness. We don't want to get diabetes on here.
What are you doing, homegirl, with your hair?
Taste it now. Right. Yeah, it tastes better. Okay, so now what you do is you pour your crema dulce in here. I'm gonna pour a little bit in a cup just to show you guys how I prepare my fresas con crema.
You know you want to eat and snack on some.
No, I don't. It's already late. And like the day I made, what did I make?
Don't worry, I'll eat them.
Okay, even you guys, this is Jose behind the camera. Don't worry, I'll eat him.
The only thing, guys, I do not like raisins. So yeah.
You eat them when you buy the other kind, don't you?
I buy the other kind for more.
Okay, so this is what I usually add. It's raisins, pecans, vanilla, pecans.
I'm just kidding. There's different ways.
Vanilla and coconut. I'm just gonna open 2 of these little raisins because I really don't like them a lot either, but it gives it a really good taste with the fresas con crema. So I'm gonna pour it in a Tupperware like this just to mix it. Oh, this is a little bit. No, but it's good. Okay, next I'm gonna add some pecans.
Pecans
In here. I'm gonna wait for this one because I really want to smash it really good. ¿Ya está abierta?
No, you gotta.
Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of cocoa in here.
Coconut flakes.
And now I'm gonna smash the
Granola.
granola like really good, but I can also like kind of like this, so it won't be like en bolas and stuff.
I guess just grab whatever objects near you and just start smashing them.
Not bad. Oh, they're so big that I use. Then I'm just gonna add some in here.
And I guess your granola could be whatever choice or
I
brand
was
you
trying
want.
to look for another one that was kind of, yeah, like really, really like smashed right.
Like, I guess real, yeah, I guess.
Yeah, but not bien, so I got this one.
I wonder if it'll get soggy with the crema. Yeah, well, who you all taking for?
I'm gonna mix it. Plus, I'm taking your sister some tomorrow.
Las dos andan antojadas.
Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm just gonna mix it.
Oh man.
Wow.
I'm still laughing about the other vlog where you're like, should I laugh like this or you should I laugh like that? Oh man. But if y'all are wondering what vlog I'm talking about, I'll link it in the description below.
Look, you guys, doesn't this look yummy already? Even probably to snack on.
I'm forgetting the M&Ms in there to make it a
No.
quick mix or a mix match snack or whatever. You know, the one that has like the raisins in there with the chocolates and the nuts.
No, I knew not. Oh. Like
You eat them, don't you?
The M&Ms?
Well, they're not M&Ms, but they're chocolate covered candy that look like M&Ms.
I don't know.
¿Y luego?
So now I'm gonna grab a small cup and a spoon. So I'm gonna mix it. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit. Así.
Eso es más crema que fresas.
Yeah, I like the crema. ¿Cuál quieres?
Yeah, I want some, but in my own cup.
Why not mine?
Because I don't like all that raisin stuff.
And then I'm just gonna grab like así un poquito, or maybe less because it's only a little bit, and put it in here, you guys. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. So let me see. Damn, Jose.
You got a little white stuff right there.
This is so good.
Ahora le tocaba a Jailenne bañarse porque ya mañana es el día 24. Ya le tocaba baño. Porque no se bañó desde Thanksgiving.
That's everything.
I'm just
That
kidding,
was what,
guys.
like a month ago?
Almost. But yeah, guys, this
So
is.
yeah, guys, this is how you make fresas con crema. Estilo Jailenne.
Well, I guess like a quick, easy way, a quick recipe. So if y'all want to try it, go for it, guys.
Yep. Well, thank you guys for watching this video.
Once again, if you guys are new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share. What else do you want to say?
Nothing. Well, thanks for watching.
Stay tuned and we'll be back with more videos.
Bye.